Know all about the Telly world by subscribing to Tellychucker's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos. From the last few days, the internet is on complete fire with the fans bashing the biggies of Bollywood and are fighting for justice for Sushant Singh Rajput. Sunday, the 14th of June 2020 came as a shocker to all of the India out here. People started their day on a very peaceful note, but ended on a very depressing note as they got to know the news about Sushant Singh Rajput committing suicide at his residence in Bandra, Mumbai. The news shocked the entire entertainment industry and no one could believe the news. Since the tragic incident, everyone is only asking one question of what could have been the exact reason to why the actor took his life. With such a successful career, with family and friends, with all that he has desired to, having in his hand, still, why did Sushant Singh Rajput commit a suicide? Or the next question comes in, was it really a suicide or was it a planned murder? Well, there are various reasons circulating in the media when it comes to his demise, where the pressure to be in Bollywood was something he couldn't bear, while some say he was suffering from depression from the past 6 months. As Kangana Ranaut said, how can a 7th rank holder have some depression? Why do you put somebody into the category of depression when they are trying to make big in the industry? Unfortunately, when the incident took place, some disturbing photos of the actor were circulated on social media, and one of his fans has few questions which are quite important to address. Seems like that the fans have noticed few relevant points that actually prove or maybe actually give us a hint of the fact and are questioning if it was really a suicide or it was a complete pre-planned murder being tried to portray as a suicide. The points that he has mentioned get us thinking if it was really an incident that we are not really focusing properly on and are missing the true facts. The police is still investigating the matter. The fan questioned, whenever a person hangs himself to death, the saliva of his mouth, eyeballs and everything protrude out of their original position because of the sheer pressure applied. A photo of his dead body was being circulated around. Did any one of you notice that? The next question he had was, he allegedly hung himself with a curtain or a bed sheet, but the photo that was circulating around had a red tight mark around his neck. The tie-around thing made with the bed sheet or the curtain will be broad because of the materials involved in it, not some sleek thing like a rope. But the mark has been very thin, like a plastic rope. The next point he kept was, a man who was at the highest echelon of his academics and understanding would commit suicide without letting out a reason in a suicide note? Really? Last but not the least, the fan had to ask, the most important fact here, Sushant Singh Rajput was tall, 6 feet tall. Let's assume that the bed was 2.5 or 3 feet tall. The combined height becomes 9 feet. If the combined height was 9 feet, how did he hung himself on a 9 feet height when his roof would be around 9.5 feet? Well, it seems like that the fan is actually asking for a proper investigation and they are quite disturbed with the same thing. This particular fan has actually tweeted on Twitter and has asked for answers and said that we need justice for Sushant Singh Rajput. His tweet shows that he has tagged PM of India also, and he is very desperate to know what is the true reason behind the whole scenario. But not only one fan, there are numerous fans who are trying to question over the suicide of Sushant Singh Rajput. Well, आप हमें कमेंट सेक्शन में बताइए अगर आपको भी लगता है कि ये वाकई में सुसाइड नहीं है, ये सुसाइड दिखाता हुआ एक मर्डर है, just like our very own this fan. If yes, do drop in your comments in section below. Until then, let's all fight together for justice for Sushant. Stay tuned to Tellychucker for all the more updates for the Telly world.